So I am showing you how to use the Merlin Ride Access Pass or Merlin Wrap. So I've only got it because I'm autistic. So for me, this is the only way I can actually queue up. So if you go to the Apple Store or the Play Store, if you are on Android, search up Wrap, so RAP Merlin or Merlin Ride Access Pass or any of that sort of thing. So obviously download it and then say sign up, and I will say this only works for Owen Towers, Thorpe Park, Chessington and Legoland Windsor. So if you want to click this app to click on Owen Towers, then I'll say how many guests are riding with you. So either one person, two people or three people. Obviously I tend to go between 1 and 3 people. It never ever lies 3 of us. So I'll click 1. Obviously set date, obviously June, July or August. Bear in mind I am filming this in June, so this will show today's month. Obviously I will click June. Obviously then all the grey out ones are I can't particularly use for today. If I click the 18th, book this month, I'll see confirm. I'll see this is with you and another person. I just wanted to say confirm. I'll see click on the thing, then I'll see there is you and another guest. Also you see my name. Have to book a day ticket alongside this as well. If you're a Merlin pass holder, if you're gold, platinum, standard, what I forgot what it's called, either like any of them, you can still come book that through the Merlin pass holder hub if you want to use that as well. At Owen Towers, I am showing you how to use the Merlin Ride Pass, and I am just sort of recommend. So the main entrance is just over there. Then you've got the shop, literally it's just here. So I'm currently just finding the app. So if you download it and stuff, obviously check in. Obviously check in. Obviously I'm literally just sort of the recommend Q9. And see right now, obviously checking the location. Obviously 01. Then see check in now. And see scan it. Then obviously it will come up here. Also I will go in the Q9 and obviously I will show you them this. Yes, done riding and that's pretty much everything what you need to do. Obviously with this, obviously we'll go up with 1 ride access guest and obviously 1 or 2 or 3 or how many you need. So obviously it's just me riding big man. Obviously I still have to wait for the Q9 to go. But yeah, that's how the ride access works for Merlin. I know each ride is different. And also I just want to say this, it will say ride again at us 117, so that's the next ride time what I will use this for. So the main Q9 is just literally here, then you've got the shop just there, it's just literally just over there, and the fast park, if I'm just wondering, is through there to the left. So you've got the Big Bob statue, literally just over there. Just generally just want to just say that. Just literally just showing them this, then obviously click I'm done riding, obviously finish riding, and obviously this will show up. Obviously you've got like 35 minutes left to use it. So that's how I use my wrap, and obviously I don't tend to use this every time I come here. If it's like an off-peak season, I literally won't use it at all. And yeah, obviously that's how you pre-book and use the ride access pass at obviously at Owen Towers, and obviously it's just the same process for each ride. Either also I forgot to say this, either scan the QR code or type in the number within it. I will show you on another on another ride to know how to type in a number, but yeah, obviously there's 2 ways, either scan it, the QR code, or put in a number in. So I'm just outside of a building. I'm showing you how to use the number 1 instead of the QR code. So you've got the a billion, as you've got the numbers and the card code. Obviously I'm just using the a billion. Obviously right now, this is just showing you, let's see, 0 if you see it, 1 in black. Obviously number, and also I'm typing that number in. Obviously 2, obviously 2 0 7 7. Obviously check in now. Obviously it shows the time. Obviously my card with my screen was just big, so obviously obviously when I'm clicked right now, when I was on top of a billion, and that's actually 4 minutes.